Mga binibining, ginang at ginoo, kalalapag po lamang natin sa paliparan ng Daniel Zero Modest. Maligayang pagdating sa Tacloban. Mangyari po lamang malamig nakaupo at nakakabitan seatbelt. Huwag po lamang kunin ang mga hand carry baggage hanggang ang ating aeroplano ay ganap nang nakahinto. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Inaasahan namin na muli tayong magkikita. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at the New Zero Modest Airport. Welcome to Tacloban. The local time is 38 minutes past the hour of 10 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Do not remove your carry-on baggage until the aircraft has come to a full stop and is properly parked. On behalf of Captain Ronaldo Tolentino, First Officer Edwin Baldado, First Officer Chodoro Pasaylo, and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, Asia's first shining through. For passengers who requested for special assistance,